जब एक औरत पे हर कानून, हर सजा लागू होती है तो मर्द क्यों बचता है?
सेक्युलर लॉ की आड़ में शरीयत का मजाक बनाया जा रहा है और हम देखते रह जाएंगे। इसे बचाना हमारा फर्ज है।
This movie talks about something that was the reality of our nation that still is happening in a lot of corners. Speaks about triple talaq as well. UCC is not in yet, but the process for it is on. But do you think UCC should be applicable everywhere? What are your thoughts on the film?
Well, as we know that this film is pertaining to a very old case of the 1970s, and it's a very heartbreaking case if one looks at it from the view of human rights and women's rights and just basic human dignity. And it's unfortunate that a lot of such similar cases continue to happen even today, even decades later. So as far as dealing with such delicate matters is concerned, I think what should be taken as as a top priority for everyone is to look at cases not in the purview of certain personal rights, but I think largely under the ambit of human rights, because I'm sure when all of us see this film and we already know the story behind this, it is largely about a case of human rights violation and human dignity that was hit after so many decades of marriage. So I think everything should be largely seen in the purview of how to best keep an Indian citizen's human rights and human dignity.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.